To gather your Serial Mash Summer reading minutes, head to the Data tab. Select the dates of 7th July and 12th of September for 2025 and then choose the classes you'd like to include. Clicking the arrow shows the pupils in each class. Export your data. This will download a spreadsheet. Once in the spreadsheet, scroll all the way across to the right. The total for each class is shown at the top of each section. Add up the total for all of the classes that took part. Finally, enter this data into the form and we'll do the rest. Good luck!